Is my new Birdfy feeder. If you don't know anything about Birdfy, they come with cameras. And this just comes out of the box just like that. It's ready to go. Now you got a couple components here. So let me show you. Just want to show you how easy it is. This is a bracket right here. That's going to hold your camera. And that just slides in the side there. This is your 1080p camera, matches the housing in green. Simply has a little slot here, goes right in there, and that camera is going to capture all the action happening right here. Now, to keep it running all the time, look at this massive solar panel. It's a nice one. And a very long power cable. So the way this works is you get a plate like this, and it's threaded, 1/4-20 thread right there. You get a flex arm, and all you're going to do is attach the flex arm to the solar panel and to the other end here on this plate, and that's going to allow you to flex that solar panel around to find the sun. And the rest is easy. You just hang your bird feeder like I normally would. I'm going to be doing it out here, out on this tree here. You download the app. The thing is, with the camera, what you want to do is charge it first. Type-C on the bottom. Get that fully charged. Download the app. Birdfy app. It's a fantastic app. Pair the camera. Once you have that all done, it's going to be good to go from now on. Solar panel will keep it charged, and you're going to get to see the action. Now, you're going to get action pretty quick with the bird feeder. You know, I did one where I have the bird house. That's all installed and ready to go. So now I'm going to do the bird feeder, and I like to look at this. It's got a nice little angle to it. You can see through both sides, so you can see where your food is. It's got a little fold down for the legs, and then here you can put a little cake in it. Attract those other types of birds, woodpeckers and that kind of thing. But this one is very, very simple to get going. And I mean, once you get one of these and you get that app and you start getting birds, you're really going to enjoy it, because you're going to be able to record the action. You're going to be able to get notifications from the app if you want it that way. And you're going to be able to share pictures and video, 1080p, nice and clear video of the action happening at your Birdfy bird feeder. So check them out.